Hi, it's Cameron here. First of all, thank you for taking the time to complete the CEO Health Performance Diagnostic. Most CEOs never stop long enough to look honestly at how their health is impacting their performance and eventual exit. So you're already ahead of the curve by doing this. In a moment, you'll see a personalized scorecard. That score gives us a clear picture of how your sleep, energy, focus, and stress are either supporting your business or silently eroding it. But a number on a page by itself doesn't really change anything. The real value comes from turning that score into a simple, realistic 90-day plan that fits around the way you lead your business and your family life. That's exactly what we do in the 30-minute CEO health strategy session with me. If you'd like that plan, use the button just below this video to book a time in the next 7 days. I'll review your score in advance and come prepared with 2 or 3 specific recommendations tailored for you. There's no charge for the session. There's nothing to buy on the call. It's simply a chance to get clarity, see your options, and make sure your health is supporting the levels you want to lead over the next few years, the next decade, the next 2 decades. So have a quick look at your scorecard, then hit the button below and choose a time that works best for you. And I look forward to speaking to you very soon.